Learning Cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide. Welcome. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're curious about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the blockchain technology behind them, this guide will help you understand the fundamentals of crypto. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network known as blockchain, a public ledger that records all transactions. This decentralized nature ensures that no single entity, like a bank or government, has control over it. This is a key feature that appeals to many investors. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but a few stand out. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known. Ethereum, on the other hand, introduced smart contracts, enabling developers to build decentralized applications. Now that you know what crypto is, how do you start learning about it? Online courses. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer courses on cryptocurrency and blockchain. These can provide structured learning. 2. Books and articles. There are many books available, such as The Bitcoin Standard by Saifedean Ammous, which offer deep insights into the history and philosophy of cryptocurrency. 3. YouTube channels and podcasts. Follow reputable creators who specialize in cryptocurrency education. They provide up-to-date news, trends, and explanations. A crucial part of learning cryptocurrency is understanding blockchain technology, though. A blockchain is made up of blocks that contain transaction data. Each block is linked to the previous one, forming a chain. This technology ensures transparency and security, as altering one block would require changing all subsequent blocks. As with any investment, there are risks involved in cryptocurrency. The market is highly volatile, with prices fluctuating dramatically. It's essential to be aware of the potential for loss. Always invest only what you can afford to lose and diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks. Security is another critical aspect. Cryptocurrencies are often targeted by hackers. Consider using a hardware wallet, which stores your assets offline and provides a higher level of security compared to online wallets. The crypto landscape is always evolving, so staying informed is key. Follow reputable news sources, join online forums, and engage with communities on platforms like Reddit and Twitter. These communities can offer valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of the crypto world. To wrap up, learning about cryptocurrency is a journey. Start with the basics, dive into blockchain technology, stay informed, and always prioritize security. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more insights into the world of crypto. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!